All right, guys, here we have it. Crane hoist motor going on the tubing roller with the up and down remote is going to toggle one way or the other. Right now we do have a 18 millimeter hex shaft that we have to mate up to. That's 18 millimeter. It's cut. That is going to slide onto there. We're going to work that. This here is going to slide onto there. This larger ring is going to get welded on there. It's going to go onto the tubing roller. So it's time to grind out the keyway. We're going to do that by hand. We've got this puppy all mounted up on our base. We've got the motor covered under there with the chain on it. We've aligned where our sprocket is going to go. Let's get to grinding. Up here, I got my bolts bolted in there. Got this guy here. I do have a little bit of slop, but I'll probably put in a sprocket or something to keep the tension. But as far as that goes, I think it's a win. We've got this guy tacked on now. This is all geared up for the motor. It ain't going nowhere. Let's see if it goes. This is my Princess Auto powered roller with a cable chain hoist. That is the 660 pound that was on sale just the other day here in Canada. I've got a skateboard wheel as the wheel tensioner. What it mainly does is keeps the chain off of the case. It doesn't make any rubbing marks whatsoever. In case that needs to go out, it's just bolted in there. That travels up to the chain, which goes onto a 18 millimeter deep impact socket that fits over that hex shaft. This is a 7/8 collar joint. These are 50 pitch chain. It goes from a 15 up to a 22. This is a 3/4 arbor with a 1/8 key, and it goes over to the Princess Auto tubing roller. All of the structure is out of 2x2 angle iron. To the top of the rollers is about 36 inches. When you toggle one way on the crane, and when you toggle the other way,